Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to resize both photos and videos. With this tutorial, you will be able to reduce those image sizes and send them with ease. The first step is opening your Settings app. Scroll down and find Camera. Open that and tap on Formats. Make sure it's at high efficiency. Now go back, record video, and if you really want to reduce it, just tap on 720p, which is the lowest, and the same for this, 120 fps. But what if you already took the video or photo? Well, that's simple. Just go to the App Store and then find Compress Photo. You can use that to compress photos that you've already taken. But if you want to compress videos, search Video Compress. Those apps should help you with compressing your files. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.